I want to find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of 24 and 36 using the ladder method. Right. So first of all, I'll start with 24. So I'll divide 24 by the smallest prime factor, which is 2, and the result, I'll write it just under 24, which is 12. Then I'll think of another prime factor of 12, the smallest, which is 2 again. And if I divide 12 by 2, I'll get a 6. I'll then divide 6 again by 2, because still the smallest prime factor, and this will give me a 3. Now I cannot divide the 3 by a 2, but I can divide by the 3 by a 3, as it is a prime factor, and this gives me a 1. Now 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the 2 and multiplied by 3. That is 24. Now I'll go on to 36. Okay, I'll do the same thing. Divide 36 by the smallest prime factor, which is a 2. The result will give me an 18. I'll think of a prime factor again, which is a 2. I'll divide 18 by 2. This will give me a 9. Now I cannot divide 9 by 2, but the next prime factor is a 3. So I can divide my 9 there by 3. My result will give me a 3. I'll then divide 3 by a 3 again. My result will be a 1. I will stop when I have a 1. Now 36, I'll just write it there. So 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, now I want the highest common factor. All right, I've got a 2 and a 2 that are common. I'll put it in one band. A 2 and a 2 are common. I'll put it in another band. Now a 2 and a 3, these are not common. Now I've got a 3 and a 3 that are not common. So now my highest common factor will be a 2. That band multiplied by a 2 multiplied by a 3. And this will give us 2 times 2 times 3. So that will be a 12. So our highest common factor for 24 and 36 is 12. Now for the lowest common multiple, I am going to take all the factors that are there. I've got a 2, I call it tata zonke, a 2, then I'm going to multiply, I've got a 3. Now I'll check with the highest number of exponents. For 2 on 24 I have 1, 2, 3. Yet on 36 I only have 2. So I take the highest exponent, which would be a 3 there. And then for 3 on 24 it's just 1. For 36 they are 1, 2. So the highest there is a 2. Hence my lowest common multiple is 8 multiplied by a 9. And this will give us 72. So highest common factor